listen, I have to talk about this underrated hidden gem of Verasity. So if you like esports and video entertainment, this coin, I believe, is part of the future. I understand about Shiba and 𝐭-𝐨𝐿. I just had to talk about this because right now, this is up 17% today. I got in this when it was half this type of price, and let's talk about it right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Verasity is on fire, and I believe this is going to continue going up and up because it's kind of like one of the most underrated coins I think on here when it comes to esports and video entertainment. Now, I've done some research on this. I noticed that Twitter following is growing very slowly, and I noticed that it's starting to really make some moves. The number 4 on here on the top 10 24-hour alt rank. So that's really special here. And it's also, they've got other news that's coming out of saying, did you know over 50% of VRA holders have been holding for 1 year? So if you've been holding this for a long time, you're just now seeing some really good rewards. You really are. You're starting to beginning to see it. And that's why I'm saying about is doing your research, holding, hodling, and staying patient and staying focused. And you see here, dip here, if I go to the 1-day chart here, VRA is starting to hit. It's just now starting to begin to hit here, and it's got a long way to go. They've got a pretty good max supply in terms of low, and I like what they are standing for. They hitting that esports and the video entertainment aspect of this. And if you want to know how it works, it shows you right here. They have a virtual cycle, which is really productive, and also shows you how this actually works. Game development influencers buy VRA with a credit card exchange to fund their tournaments or campaigns, which build valuable audiences and monetize significantly. Then publishers reward VRA. Then users earn VRA with the influenced gamers, and viewers can earn all VRA from their activities. And then Verasity earns, they have the earned percentages from the activities, tournaments, and campaigns. Then you can stake the VRA. VRA holders stake their VRA for daily rewards. I know you like that. I like that. Daily rewards. The VRA staking program is all about helping you. And then also the last piece of this, easing conversion for VRA. It targets crypto and non-crypto users with an easy on-ramp, including credit cards for fiat. Now, if you're probably wondering if I'm a holder here, I am a hodler here. It's actually, I own 103,000 of this. I bought this probably about 4 or 5 months ago, and it was only a price, I would think it was probably around $800-900. So I've already doubled my investment just by holding and doing my research. Yes, I'm a fan of other cryptocurrency and stocks, but I like ones that kind of stand out. And I like this one here because you earn rewards just by not only participate in the staking program, but it's in a class to me all by itself, along with a few other cryptocurrency that targets the game entertainment, EA Sports. So how did I get this? I got it on Coinbase wallet. Coinbase wallet, I'll have the link in the description. You can get this, and I just swapped it. So I use Uniswap as a one. Uniswap is really when I got it from, and I'll show you exactly where that is, exactly how you can do Uniswap. Let me go to Uniswap right now. So basically, let me go to Uniswap. I go to Uniswap and I'll show you exactly how I did this. So Uniswap here, and what I did was I launched the app, and what I did was exchange Ethereum for VRA. So that's exactly what I did here. And let me go here. I imported it. Import there, and I connect my wallet. So my Coinbase wallet, I have this on my Coinbase wallet at this particular time. I connected that together, and you see it right there, 103,000 VRA. So I got this about 6 months ago, and already I am double my investment, and you see it right here. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I got this about, I guess, 2 months ago. Can you see the date right here? 2 months ago. So I apologize on that. But I've already doubled my investment from when I got in at. So I thought it was 6 months. I'm getting my times all mixed up, but it shows June 24th here. So about 2 months ago, and already doubled my investment already. And I'm excited about some of the positive things just by holding this and doing positive things with VRA. So yes, there's a lot of hidden gems out there. You just have to do your research, and you see this, you got to hodl. So I like this. Take a look at this. I do have the link in the description of how this works. I think it's a steal. Now, what I will look to do, not financial advice, I would kind of let this cool off a little bit before I even start to possibly invest in this. Not financial advice, but you know, usually you'll have a pullback, so you want to look for the pullbacks on this. But this investment, I'm a big fan of VRA and a few other investments that I'm going to actually do videos over as well, as long as Shiba and 𝐭-𝐶 and the ones that you could like as well. Why not diversify your portfolio for you can get more Shiba, or if you can get more whatever you're interested at this time. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I am a fan of VRA. I'm telling you, this is one of the things that I really like about it, because it captured the esports fight club platform. Think about this. What coin or token or asset is really targeting that? And it's really popular. It really is. So take a look at it. I have it in Uniswap. Get it on Uniswap if it's something you want to do. Not financial advice, but something I'm thinking about. I just want to share with you. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to click on the links below to get started, not only with this, with other assets as well. I'll see you later.